I'm Amy Wagner with your Allworth advice. You hear about things like hurricanes and wildfires and think that won't affect you, but you need an emergency plan that also includes your financial information. One great place to turn, FEMA. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has an emergency financial first aid kit available for download. That's important because often the information we need to access our financial accounts is in our house. No house, no information. The guide is more than 30 pages long, but suffice it to say, in the event of an emergency, you're going to need all your information pertaining to insurance, homeownership, legal matters like wills, medical information like prescriptions, and any financial matters. You should prepare now by documenting your home's contents, obtain a copy of all important papers, even know your FICO score. It's also a good idea to take photos or scan all these documents and keep them on your phone or a hard drive you have in a safe deposit box, or at least a fireproof box. You may want to keep that box with a close friend or relative. Here's the Allworth advice, and if something were to happen to you during a disaster, you also need to communicate with your loved ones about where important financial and legal documents are so they can find them when they need them. With your Allworth advice, I'm Amy Wagner.